So after we finished the booster and master swap, which was absolutely not very fun, but we got it done. We bled the living crap out of that master and then did the old magic trick. And she is confident in her braking now. Wow. Wow. We're on the block a little bit. Oh yeah. You just barely touch the pedal and it actually brakes. That's the good thing about these, is when they came from the factory, they had, you know, they are vacuum boosted, but it still had feel. It wasn't all mushy like a Silverado or a, you know, like a Caprice. They actually had something, because the master cylinder was a little nicer. The booster was a little less boosty, but you know what I mean. I know that's not a good term, but it was a little less boosty. Man, this is great. I'm very happy with how the car is. Like I said earlier, we need to pressure test the cooling system. Burns is going to do that tomorrow, because he spotted a coolant leak looking like maybe around the water pump. And just want to make sure everything is right and safe. And our heater control hasn't arrived yet, so that's got to come as well. But brakes, solid. So I drove the car, as you guys saw. I pulled it in here for a second, and Bernie's like, no, put it next door because we have something else put on lift tomorrow. I'm like, okay. But you can see the coolant leak. So we will pressure test that either tomorrow or Monday, whenever. But you can see it